In this video, I'm going to install a Bauer Sunout RV vent shade. And it's a simple screw-in shade cover that goes over the existing escutcheon for the vent. So you don't have to remove this, because if you removed it, it would remove all the way up to the top, and we don't want to do that. And this cover is sized so that it fits actually over this cover. So we got to remove the 4 screws, put the other cover in, and then put the 4 screws back in. So this should be a very simple project. And if we look at the cover when we close it, it actually has aluminum backed pleats. And so this is actually designed to keep the light out, and we're putting it in our bedroom. And just as a demonstration, I removed the 4 screws, and this came out automatically, and you'll see this fits right in here inside, and these 4 screw holes line up. This project literally took about 2 minutes, and we got the 4 screws in there. Then we got the cover. There we go. And you know, after installing this thing, I'm not so sure if it works that well or not. I guess it does. And you know how the pleats I showed you look like it had an aluminum film on top? But look at this. You can see my shadow finger through it. So yeah, it cuts down on the light transmission, but it's not a blackout shade by any means.